Hey guys, welcome to Everyday Delights. Today we'll be making the ever-loved Maharashtrian street snack, Vada Pav. Before we go ahead, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get our latest recipes. Let's get started. So let's see how to make the filling. Some oil to the pan first. Very little. We don't need much. Now that the oil is hot, let's add some mustard seeds. Now some cumin. Let's just mix it a little bit. And let's add a ginger garlic paste. Let it saute for about half a minute. And once it's fragrant enough, let's add our green chilies. You can put paste if you like. Let's mix it. And let's add our curry leaves. So once everything seems cooked, let's add our asafoetida or hing. And let's add our turmeric. Okay. When this is mixed enough, let's add our potatoes. These are boiled mashed potatoes. Give it a good mix. You can turn off the stove by now. We don't need to cook the potatoes. Mixing it. You can add your coriander, your salt. So I feel let's do that at this point. Coriander. Salt to taste. And our filling is pretty much done. One more optional thing that you can add is some lemon juice. A little goes a long way. So about 1/4 of a lemon should be good enough. That's it. Our filling is ready. Now let's see how to make the batter. First, let's add our besan to the bowl. Let's add some rice flour to it. This will help make the batter a little crispy. To this, some salt. Some red chili powder. And some turmeric. Turmeric will give us a good color. Give this a mix. Now add water. We have to make a thick batter. Mix it thoroughly well to make sure there's no lumps. You need a thick batter like that. When the filling is nice and cold, make equal patties. I'll show you one. So just take a little ball of the filling in your hands, roll it, and then lightly press it with your fingers. Try to make all the patties of the same size so that everything cooks evenly. Nice and round, and not too thin, not too thick, so that the batter coats evenly on all sides. Now we have our filling ready, the patties. The batter is ready. Our oil is quite hot. Let's make the vadas now. So let's take our patty, coat it in our batter. You can see how thick it is. Okay, make sure it's coated on all sides, evenly coated, and very slowly just slide it into the hot oil. Let's see one more. Strip off any excess. For the first few seconds, don't move your vadas. If they're stuck, it's okay. They'll get released by themselves. Let them cook first properly. Once they seem a little bit done on one side, just flip them halfway through. Now, like I said, they will separate once they are cooked on the outside. You can see they've changed color. They've gone nice and crispy on the outside. Let's take them out. Drain the oil as much as you can. And just make the rest of the patties same way. Let's take out the last batch. And now all our vadas are ready. Let's plate. Right, so everything is ready. Let's plate. I've taken pav here, then I've cut it almost all the way through the middle. Let's place vada and let's serve it the classy way, the classic Maharashtrian way, with some garlic and chili chutney. Let's do the same thing with the other pav. Vada, the classic Maharashtrian way, with some garlic and red chili chutney. Coconut. Serve it with some fried chilies. You can just fry them up in the hot oil, and there we go. It's ready. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and comment and subscribe if you haven't already. For more recipes, visit our website www.theeverydaydelights.com. Thank you. See you next time with another recipe.